Hey everybody, it's Brandon at Crorzar here. As we head into the settings menu, you'll notice a few different submenus. There's basic settings is the first one. This is where you'll have the option to turn the tone on and off. The second menu allows you to change the name of the camera. I've got this named as Downstairs 360. You can change that to whatever you'd like to on your camera. These next two, flip upside down or flip left to right, that allows you to change the orientation of the video feed. So for instance, if you've got your camera mounted on the ceiling, you don't want to look at an upside down video feed. So you can come in here and you can flip that image upside down so that it looks normal even though it's mounted on the ceiling. Flip left to right, similar thing if you've got it mounted on the wall. Next menu down, if you want to change the device language, there's quite a few of them available. You can come in there and pick the language that you need. Rotation speed has to do with the rotation speed of the pan and tilt function itself. The rotation speed has to do with how fast the camera will pan and tilt back and forth. Slow, normal, and fast are your options. Finally, the last one under basic settings is the speaker volume. You can slide that to dictate how loud you want the speaker on your camera to be. Now, if you do make any changes, make sure that you hit save in the upper right-hand corner. Otherwise, those changes won't be saved.